Hi guys, good afternoon, and I was trying to make this video for like a week now, but I finally found the time, and it's taking longer than I hoped, so I'm gonna make it really quick. This video is about how to get more followers on Instagram, and we're talking about the kind of followers that you want. So followers which will engage with your Instagram posts, which will comment, but also which will go through and follow the link and actually essentially buy something. That's the whole point of having an Instagram account, otherwise you're wasting your time. So it's a tedious job, I'm not gonna lie to you. It takes time, it's not quick, but it's well worth it, and let's jump over to the computer. Okay, is this recording? Yeah. Right, so here is, just jump over to Instagram. So this is my Instagram. So that is for the PureCopperCreations, but we will be working on the Dzefer Instagram. My internet sucks today. It's totally not my fault. Oh wait, this thing's right here. How do I move you? Wait, no, move. Okay, we will move you here. Right, you don't need to see this. Right, so this is my Instagram right now, but what we will be doing is the Dzefer Instagram. I think he has just below 200. Yeah, so he's just below 200 followers, and we are trying to get, at least by the end of February, at least 400, if not more. At some point, and I think it depends on a million factors, like your personal Instagram, your whatever you're doing and stuff. At what point will followers just on their own start coming? But we need to give them a little nudge. So that's his Instagram account. So you can see I have a lot of people that I'm following. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete some, though I'm not sure. Should I just do it? Yeah, I'll just go 20 from the top. I'm not even going to do my usual thing. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so I just unfollowed 20 people so that this number goes down a bit. And there's a reason for that. We'll get into that, don't worry. Why 20? Because Instagram has certain limits. It limits you in a million number of ways. If you start unfollowing more than 20 people an hour, it will actually ban you and you won't be able to open your account. Any activity really that Instagram thinks is spammy, they will punish you. They will actually ban you in some way or other. So what we want is people who are interested in Alex's products. Alex's products are wooden wedding bands. So let's just start from there. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go into that little search thing up there. You're going to change your computer. My computer insists that he's from the UK. I bought it. It was delivered to me from the United States, but it just insists on being English. Right, so hashtag wooden wedding rings. Oops, not rings. Oopsie. Rings. Okay. So in his particular, there aren't many posts, but that's not the point. So these top posts, you see this here, top posts, that's what we're looking at. Whatever you type out there, that's what you're looking at. You're going to have, I think, 6 or 9 top posts. And you're going to go to the one which suits what you're doing the most. And pretty much all these guys make sense, right? So this is a really nice picture. We're going to open it. You see, it's a nice picture. We're not going to follow this account, this here account. That's not the point. The people we're going to follow, to get follows, so follow for a follow, same thing like Etsy, is you're going to click on the likes. You can do this also on the phone. And you have a list here of people. We're not just going to go crazy and follow every single person. We're going to be picky. So ever rings, obviously, they are connected to rings. This guy is, I'm guessing, a DJ, because it's Riva DJ. Why not? Mia's Italy, obviously a company. This is a person. this is a company. This is a company, but prints, yeah, why not? Does it make sense for us? No. Wedding filmmaker makes sense for us. Real person, photography, yes. Crafts, no. The reason why we're being picky, remember how Instagram limits you how many people you can unfollow? Well, they also limit you how many people you can follow. And the way they limit you is when you get to that limit, you simply cannot follow anybody else for that hour or day. And if you do it too much, they will ban you. They're really good at that. Plus, you don't really need other makers at this point. We are just looking for people. At some points you do need it, but at this point, no. So why not? Why not? Like if I see a company that is connected to weddings, I will follow them for various reasons. Like maybe they'll share something from me, maybe they'll tag me somewhere, and then people who are following their account will see me, etc., etc. You want these people too. This is a person, this is a person, 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 not a person, not a person, not a person. Okay, so we followed some people here. And that's the first way that you can do it. So what you do is you type in the search box your hashtag, whatever makes sense for you. So it can, for Alex, it can also be rustic weddings, right? People who are into rustic weddings are into wooden wedding bands. So whatever makes sense for your product, whatever your product is, right? You go there, you go to the top posts. You don't have to go to the recent ones. So here are all the top posts, and then below that, after that, is the most recent posts, right? This is all we care about, really. You click on something that makes sense for you. This is a nice picture. You click on the likes, how many likes there are, and you're going to follow those people. That's okay, so the second thing we're going to do is we're going to find our competition. So we typed in wooden wedding bands. And it doesn't matter, just find something that looks like it fits, you know. Something like this. This one makes sense. I mean, it's a bit cheapish, so we're going to go back instantly. It's important. What I just said there is really important because you also it has to make sense. It has to be like not the same, but very similar. So similar price, similar items, you know, similar, if that makes sense. So this guy, for example, we're going to open their listing. If my computer reacts, if not, never mind. Hello. You can really see, I don't know, is it Etsy related? Sometimes it's Etsy related, this, when it doesn't want to open. I doubt it. I think it's just my computer. Then we're going to go to their page. Okay, so they make all kinds of wooden jewelry. That's nice. Then we're going to go to their about. Okay, another great thing. They're from Italy, so they're actually just across from us. And we're going to hope, yes, they do. They have Instagram. So you go to their Instagram account. And again, you want engaging followers. So you're not going to follow the people who follow them. Because there's all kinds of people. They have 320 followers. Of those 320, we just want the followers which engage, right? And they have quite a few. So this is their latest. It has 3 comments, which are kind of, you know, they could be better comments. So you go into the likes. Hi, Luca. No. No. Hi, Luca. Okay. Okay, we gotta move this again. Okay. So, where did I sit up? I had to get up for a second. So, this is a recent one. We're gonna follow people. Again, same thing. So, it's the exact same thing. This is Insect Magazine. I don't see how that makes sense. Flowers, yeah, okay. This guy's definitely. This is a person. This is another company selling rings. So we're not going to follow them. There's no point. Yeah, why not? Why not? And you can also do this if you want to buy who's your target audience. You can get really precise with this, because as I said, you are limited. I'm going to do my best to get to the point where I'm not going to be, so that you can see what I mean by you're limited. Right, woodworker, no. Marble, no. Photography, why not? Wedding planning, yes. Fine, photographer. Photographers are really into wedding rings. I've noticed this before. It's a good thing to notice so that I can get. Okay, so we can still follow more. We're going to go to this guy. So, yeah, this is a boring. I will speed this up. This is, as I said, it's boring. It takes time, and it doesn't take much time, but it feels like forever. I'm just trying to get to the point where Instagram no longer allows me, so I can show you what that looks like. Right? I mean, you can also count them if you want to, but they will just stop you themselves. Okay, yeah, see, so I'm clicking and nothing's happening. It still says follow. That means that's it. We have reached our limit, which is fine. Now you're going to go back to the most tedious part of this, and that is, you're going to go back here. You have 324 now following. I'm guessing, the first person you followed is going to be at the bottom. Come on. Come on. Gotta coax it a little. You know, my computer is very, you know. So I think this, I remember talking about the DJ, so it's somewhere here, right? Yeah. So, let's say we start with the DJ here. We just followed him, right? What you're gonna do now is you're gonna like his photos. The reason you're gonna do that is because what's gonna pop up for him when he clicks this, I'll show you, I'm pretty sure somebody did that. And you can comment, but I'm not going to comment right now because I don't like commenting in my husband's name. Alright, so what you're going to see, him in particular, though he has 20,000 followers, chances of him following back are limited. It's possible, you never know. So when he gets his notifications, what he's going to see is, see how this one, you see she liked loads of my photos, right? So that's what they're going to see. They're going to see that you followed, and then they're going to see you, and, you know, it's human nature. They're going to be curious. They're going to go to your profile. They're going to see what's going on here. Who are you? What do you want, right? And they are, if they like your items, going to follow back, which is what you want. You want engaging followers. And that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to be doing now. So I'm just going to be going through these guys and, yeah. And, you know, engaging with them. Also, another great way to do it is you just do it naturally. You go to Instagram and then as they work. So you don't want to unfollow them instantly if they didn't follow you, right? You want to keep it all normal and natural, right? And then people react to that positively, you know. You also want to comment, but as I said, me and my hubby Alex, we have a rule. I don't comment in his name. He does that. Oh, my friend put up a new photo. Cool. So you want to comment, and you don't want your comments to be like, "Ooh, nice," right? Say something interesting, so that they will talk to you, and then you will get a connection, and then that is how you get engaging followers. The point is engaging followers. Now, to unfollow, you can't do that from the computer. So there is, I think it's Who Unfollowed Me, and I'll explain why that's important. I think that's the app. There's a mobile app which you get. It's called Who Unfollowed Me, and it will show you all the people who are not following you back, the people who are not interacting and stuff. You want to, from time to time, unfollow people who are not interacting with you, because it's like a conversion rate. They bring down your grade on Instagram, and then I think that's the one. No, it's not this one. I can't remember the name of it. I'll link the name down below, and you get it on your phone, you connect it to your Instagram, and you can, there it is, unfollowers, that's it. That's the one. And then you can easily unfollow people. It will instantly unfollow 20 people that you don't want, right? It's a really cool one. And it will limit you to 20 per hour so that Instagram won't ban you. And it's a great way to keep your, keep your account tidy, if you will. Keep it all good. So that's it. That's what I do to get slowly more engaged followers. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, talk to you guys next week, I hope.